Stop it. Get some help.
Oh my, are really stupid to stop. Oh my god. Yep. Expect where that guy is going, guys. Just try to pause the video right here and guess where that guy is going in the wrong direction. Found it? I'll show you now. That's where he's going.
इतने तेजस्वी लोग हैं हमारे पास.
Another one. Another one.
This is just
Another one.
footpathing.
Another one. Stop it. Get some help.
I think Oxford should add this new word to its. I think Oxford should add this new word to their dictionary, man. Like footpathing. What do you say? Like, who needs off-roading when you can do footpathing? Oh, he got caught. He's trying to explain to the things to the cop that he messed up.
Hello there.
How, bro? That. Oh my god. That that I was not expecting that. And these monkeys as well, man. These monkeys and the people are are really stupid to stop and give them food, because they will keep on coming onto the highway like this, and because they'll be interrupting. See, that's what happens. Oh my god. Look at the monkeys here, man. These people have made a habit of them. See. Have to be very careful now.
Wait a minute.
It was at this moment that he knew. He fucked up.
See, that's not what you're supposed to do, bro. You should never overtake in turnings like this. It's very dangerous.
So please whatever. Please I want to reach 1 million likes. So please sarapakara. Yes.